One of the pastimes that we had developed this pandemic is the hobby of watching videos. Of course, we're just doing that as a form of entertainment. However, there is a way to monetize this pastime of ours, and I will tell you all about that in this video. For today, I will teach you how you can make money online by simply liking videos. So, stay tuned and do not exit this video to learn the whole process of this online strategy. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The first thing that you should do is to go to the website called rapidworkers.com. This site is a crowdsourcing services site with more than 100,000 registered workers. This site helps individuals and small businesses to create low-cost marketing and publicity campaigns for their brands. Using this site, you can improve your sales, marketing campaigns, traffic, and backlink ranking. If you want to get employed on their site, just look for the available micro jobs on their site. Pick the one that you like the most. After that, complete and follow the said task. Once you're done with it, you just need to submit a proof and you will surely get paid right away. You can get your money through PayPal or any bank transfers. Just a reminder that this hack will not make you crazy rich. However, this is a good source of income that can help ease your life. Now you should sign up on this site. To do this, just click this button and you will get redirected to this page. All you need to do is to fill out the necessary information that they are asking. You just need to input your name, email address, unique password, and country of origin. As you can see, they are accepting users from all over the world. After that, you should also complete the CAPTCHA test and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you are done, you can click the Create My Account button. You should also be wary of the rules of this page. One of the rules is regarding the use of a VPN or any other type of masking software. You are not allowed to use any masking software nor VPN. The next rule states that you should not have multiple accounts with the same IP addresses. Hence, do not create many accounts using a single IP address. The last rule states that you should only do the tasks that are available in your country. You just need to follow these simple rules to continue earning money online. When you break any of these rules, you might not get your cut. There is a high chance of getting your account banned. So, do not waste your efforts by trying to do anything funny. It is better to be safe than sorry. So stick to the given rules. Once you have completed the information needed, they will send you a confirmation email. Just check out your email inbox and look for the link that they have sent you. After that, click the link in order to verify your account. Try to scroll down on the page and you will see the various tasks that you can do. Each task has their corresponding details and instructions. You will also see how much money you can make from each specific task. They also include the required amount of time that you should ideally spend on each task. Just a quick reminder that you should keep an eye out for the tasks that are not marked or made for your country. Again, it is against the rules to do the tasks that are not available to your country. This video is about earning money from liking videos, so we should focus on tasks that include liking videos. To do this, type YouTube in the search bar and press enter. The page will reload to show the tasks that are related to YouTube videos. Now, see this one? It only requires you to like and share this. Also, it will only take a minute to finish the said task. It already looks promising. Now, we'll have a closer look at this particular task. Just press the link in it. Then, you will be redirected to another page where you can see all the information about the task. It will also include the directions that you need to follow to complete the task. Again, you will get paid once you are able to finish the task. Let's use this as an example. It states that you should proceed to YouTube and look for either one of these keywords. The keywords are Jurassic World Evolution to download. After that, a list of videos will be shown. You should look for this video that has a particular thumbnail. According to the instructions, we need to watch the whole video and like it afterwards. The proof that they require from you is a screenshot of the like that you put on the video along with your YouTube channel name. Once you're done with this, simply press on this button and the task will be completed. In this part of the video, I'd like to share with you some of my secret ninja tricks that you can utilize to get the best paying job on this site. Again, type YouTube in the search bar and press enter. A list of tasks related to YouTube videos will be shown on the screen. Now, what you need to do is to rearrange these tasks. We'd like to see the highest paying offer first on the list. To do this, look for the most paying button and click it. The page will reload. Then it will show you the most profitable tasks for you to pick. As you can see, the top task will pay you up to $6.50. I will show you an example of an international task. Look at this, it is willing to pay you $3.45 for just 3 minutes of your precious time. For this task, you are instructed to go to this specific website by clicking this link here. After that, you just need to download the required book. It's just as simple as that. The proof that this task requires is just to send the book title together with the total number of pages in the book. Once you're able to send this proof, you are done. You just need to wait until you get paid. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.